In this video I will show you how to make these kind of earrings. They are made of paper, of course, and of metallic beads. I tried this mix and it came out for me quite well. So if you like to learn how to make these simple and easy and stunning pair of earrings, try with me and then follow this video. Thank you. To make these earrings, I created a square template. My template is 3 centimeters per 3 centimeters. But if you like, you can make the square bigger or smaller. I will use some glitter paper, and if you like this kind of paper, I will put a link in the description of this video where you can buy this kind of paper. For me it's quite nice because it's so bright, and for summer it's nice to create jewelry for the night or during that you can wear during the day. For me is glitter, and above all silver glitter paper is quite nice. Okay, so with your template, cut your around. You will need 2 square for each earring. So it's quite easy to make this pair of earrings, and you can make them in minutes. Okay, you can cut better later, but they are okay. So now with some glue together the 2 pieces of glitter paper. Okay. Okay. Then with your scissors, cut. Okay. I didn't cut in a perfect way, sorry. But you can adjust all later. Okay, now leave it to dry. Okay, now it's better to have something where you can put your future earring, and I glued my beads in a corner, and the same in the other opposite, because you can wear them in this way, and for me they are quite nice. But if you want, you can put your beads there or in the center, or cover all the earring. The sky's the limit. Okay, so now we can use some glue. We can make a sort of a circle, and then with your metallic bead you can do in this way. Sorry for the noisy. Okay, leave it to dry. in this way. Okay, now the beads are in place. The glue is quite ready, and then quite dried. You can do in this way, so some beads that are not in a perfect way will come out, but it's okay. You can create a sort of a circle. Okay, this is not ready to stay there. Okay, I'll leave it to dry for other 5 minutes. Okay, now while you're waiting for your glue and beads to dry, you can make the other earring. The same process using your template. You can cut 2 squares and then glue together, and then the same process for the beads, but in the opposite place. So we create a sort of circle with our glue, and then using our metallic beads we can cover this. Okay, voilà. You can adjust. And if you want to glue other beads, it's quite simple with some glue. You can do in this way, and then place your beads. Voila. Okay, they don't need to be perfect or super similar. Mine are not similar, are similar but not the same measure. Okay, I leave it to dry. Now this one is ready, and then make a hole and create the final earring. Voila. Oh. Okay. Sorry, I refinished my beads, and then the ring, the earring, sorry. Voila. And then you will have a pair of earrings like this one, and they are so nice to wear. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video, and then I will put in the description the glitter paper and the link to buy if you like, and the beads. Thank you so much. Bye bye.